I'm David Gall and I'm coming to you today from Cairns Airport in tropical North Queensland, right on the gateway to the Great Barrier Reef. Today I'm going to have a wonderful opportunity to talk to the team from North Queensland Airports about the great work that they're doing to preserve the environment, but also to decarbonise in the aviation industry. Well, hi Richard, thanks so much for having us up here in Cairns today. Tell us a little bit about North Queensland Airports.
So North Queensland Airports runs two airports, Cairns Airport and Mackay, and in Cairns in particular is the gateway to the Daintree tropical rainforest and the Great Barrier Reef, so is a major driver of international tourism.
Obviously aviation, it's an industry that's hard to abate in terms of greenhouse gas emissions. Tell me a little bit about what you've done here at the airport.
So I think one of the things we've set is a clear pathway to being net zero for scope 1 and 2. So our emissions generated on site and the emissions associated with the activities we buy, we're on track to achieve that by 2025, which is one of the first airports in Australasia. And then with the next stage is that we're working hard with a local proponent on the production of sustainable aviation fuel, which is really going to be one of the keys to reduce scope 3 emissions or the primary emissions from aircraft flight. So there's a lot happening in this part of the world, and I think there's a real opportunity for North Queensland in particular to take a leading position both in Australia and globally.
Tell us a little bit about what is happening in terms of biodiversity.
Within the mangrove environment, which is approximately 50% of the total landholding here, there's 350 hectares, we've found a whole range of endangered species. And so we're working to protect those. One of those is a really cute little parrot. It's called a double-eyed fig parrot. There's an endangered water mouse. There's an ash plant which attaches itself and grows on the side of mangroves. So there's a whole range of these amazing species that as you drive past on the way to the airport, you have no idea exist. And we have the opportunity to preserve them right here on airport.
Well, it really is terrific to hear about the wonderful work that North Queensland Airports is doing to support the community, but also support the environment as well. I'm on my way now to meet with Michelle Wong, the CFO of North Queensland Airports, and hear a little bit about their success in executing their strategy. Well, hi Michelle, tell us a little bit about your decarbonisation story.
We have three areas that we're focusing on. So the first is emissions reductions. Secondly, we've got Indigenous engagement, and then we've also got our biodiversity target. In terms of emissions reductions, the first step has been looking at what we do in terms of our operations, and so using opportunities such as replacement of equipment to move to more energy efficient modes of operation. But for us, the real game changer has been in terms of how we procure our energy. So we have entered into a power purchase agreement with CleanCo, which will result in 100% of our energy on site being renewable. And that's not just what the airport operator is using, but all of our tenants, because we provide energy for everybody.
Can you tell us a little bit about NAB's role in supporting North Queensland Airports?
The airport's mission is about building aviation sustainably, and the fact that we've been able to work with NAB to construct this sustainability-linked loan where the KPIs, fundamentally make a difference to the way we do business has been really exciting, and we're really grateful to have had that opportunity.
Well, it's been wonderful to spend the morning here in Cairns. Great to see the amazing commitment from North Queensland's airports to support their communities, their customers, and also their colleagues as well. NAB is incredibly proud to support North Queensland Airports.
NAB, more than money.